The Google Pixel 8 rumors are talking about the new features and hardware for this year's phones. The latest leak says that the Google Camera app might also get a big update in its design. Google is known for its great camera phones, and these changes could make taking good pictures even easier. Reliable Google leaker Kamila Wojcicka at Android Authority showed screenshots of the new camera design. The main change is that the menu at the bottom of the screen, where you can choose camera modes, now has just two options: taking photos or recording videos. You can switch between these two options easily. After you pick a mode, the same menu of options will show up as before. Some other changes include separating the motion features into long exposure and action pen for better visibility. Google is also thinking about moving the camera switch and gallery buttons to a different place on the screen, similar to Samsung and iPhones. Besides, you'll be able to access the settings menu by swiping up instead of swiping down on the screen. They're also changing how video stabilization settings work, but the options standard, locked and active will stay the same. The Google Camera app's design has stayed the same since 2019, and it's about time for a change. It's not clear if the new design will come to older Pixel phones or just the new ones. Remember, this information might not be completely accurate, and we'll probably have to wait for a few weeks to know more. Google usually releases its new phones in the fall around October. Even though the Pixel 4 recently came out, they are likely to stick with their usual schedule. Do subscribe me for more updates daily. Bye.